Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Geeta hair lace frontal wig right here. The hair is silky straight and the hair is actually 24 inches. As you guys can tell, the hair comes in this cute packaging. The packaging comes with a wig cap and it comes with the gorgeous hair right there. So this is what the packaging looks like and this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. I love the construction of the cap. It's very neat and very silk. As you guys can tell, the hair is super duper silky, like very silky straight, and the hair looks so much like 26 in my opinion. It looks so much like 26 inches. Look at that. The hair is full from the top to the brim of it. I love it. And it also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back as well. So if you're a fan of, baby hair, you are definitely in for a treat because the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, which is really amazing. As you guys can tell, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box and the hair is glueless. So look at that. Very full and very voluminous and very silky to touch. So I decided to cut the excess lace of the wig, then apply the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace. It's very easy, but you don't have to do it. You can easily cut the lace of the wig and install the hair with the elastic band that came in the construction of the cap, or you can easily secure your hair with the comb that was in the cap as well, so you don't have to use any glue or gel. The construction of the cap is actually glueless, but as always I decided to go with the glue because I love to wear every hair and then give you guys the tea about the hair while I'm doing my voiceover. So I've been wearing this hair for a while now and I am loving it. So I did the same thing on the other side as well. I placed the lace exactly on where the glue was. So be careful and make sure you place the lace on the, wig on the glue exactly where you apply the glue, because you don't want any stickiness or any, white cast and all of that. So yeah, I applied this spray by icy on it and then took the elastic band off and then voila, I love this hair. I love the hair. Bear in mind that you can pat this hair anywhere you like. The hair is actually human hair and you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can blow dry, you can treat it as your own natural hair. It's real quality human hair. It's super soft and very silky. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, so I applied the mousse on the part just to give that place a very smooth look, and then voila, I then apply the Kerry Kewa stick on the hair and then use the hot comb to flatten those areas more, just to give you that slayed look, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's basically it. It's very easy to install. The lace is easy to work with, and the hair is super duper soft and very silky to touch. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair does not have any nasty smell to it as well, and I love the fact that you don't need to straighten this hair at all because it's super silky. But I just had to do it because I have to show you guys or demonstrate to you guys that this hair can actually work well with it, just like your own natural hair. But otherwise, this is the kind of wig that you just bring out of the box and cut the lace and you will be good to go. I decided to go for baby hair because some of you guys said you'd like to see me do baby hair. You know I'm not a fan of it. I'm not very good at doing baby hair, but yeah, guys, please manage this one. And then, yeah, I just managed to do one for you guys, but I hope you guys like it. Well, I like it because it took me forever to do it. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like, straight from the box. But yeah, I decided to straighten it, but you don't have to. I just had to do it to demonstrate to you guys that you can actually apply it on the hair. The quality of the hair is really good. The hair is super duper soft, like very soft and very full. I'll show you guys in the end how full this hair is. It's super duper full and so soft and silky to touch. At first I was like, what? do I really need to straighten this hair? I just have to do it, but otherwise the hair is super duper silky, super silky. You can just bring this hair out of the box and cut your lace and you would definitely be good to go. Like, I love the hair. It's more beginner friendly lace wig, and I love the fact that, you know, the quality of the hair is amazing because there was no shedding, no tangling, or, you know, nasty smell whatsoever. The hair is so silky to touch, as I said to you guys earlier. And I love the fact that, you know, the construction of the cap was really silk and very professional. So yeah, I am loving it so far. I'm wearing the hair as I speak, and as I said to you guys, the hair is still the same as I installed it the other day, and I love the fact that it has so much body to it. In terms of volume, it's so voluminous. And yeah, bear in mind, as I said to you guys, you can decide to go for, you know, body wave if you want. You can use your tongue or color on the hair to change the look of this hair, which is really amazing. It's really versatile. And yeah, that's the finished look. I am loving it. Look at that. You can already tell from my look that I'm loving the hair. Look at that volume, guys. Look at the volume of this hair. Whoa, it's super duper full. I was feeling myself, babe. Feeling myself. The hair is so worth it. Like, I felt like a, you know, diva wearing this hair, and I was feeling myself really. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Geeta Hair lace frontal wig right here. I am loving it. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair is silky straight from the box. Like, seriously, you don't need to do anything at all to this hair. When it comes to straightening the hair, guys, you have nothing to worry about. The hair is super silky straight from the box, and I am loving it. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair does not shed or tangle. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. The hair is really soft and very full. Look at that. Super silky and very soft. I love the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it as well. The hair is super duper soft and very silky to touch. But you don't have to do much with this hair. All you have to do is just cut your legs and use the elastic strap straight from the box to install your hair. As you guys know that the hair has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. You can also use the comb to secure your hair. The thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. You guys already know that I don't really do baby hair, but lately I've been trying my best to, you know, create baby hair for you guys. But yeah, if you're the type that like baby hair, the hair comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, so you're definitely in for a treat if you're the type that like baby hair. And if you guys don't know Geeta Hair are hair brands that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have curly hair, they have types of wig on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, and they have silky straight, body wave, you know, water wave, curly hair. They have all types of hair on their website, and the most amazing thing is the fact that they normally have amazing offers on their website. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved one. Another thing I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here to me in the UK, which is really amazing in my opinion. So if you have an event or an occasion coming up, you be rest assured that you get your hair in 4 days if you're based in the UK. So I'm not quite sure about the rest of the countries, but when it comes to the UK, you definitely receive your hair in 4 days, which is really amazing. So yes, another thing I love about this hair is the fact that you don't really have to do much with this hair. It's a beginner friendly type of hair in my opinion. You can just cut your lace and use the elastic strap in the construction of the cap, or use the comb in the cap to secure your hair, and you will be good to go. But if you want to take it a step further, then you can decide to apply glue. Lace, guys, the lace is really soft and very easy to work with. I didn't have to stress myself when it comes to the lace. The lace is really soft and very easy to work with. And I also like the construction of the cap of this wig. It's very neat and very sleek. Would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely, I would definitely recommend this hair based on the fact that the quality of the hair is really good. As you guys can tell, no shedding, no tangling. The hair is really soft, and there has been no nasty smell as well. So yeah, I am loving it. So In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely A plus for me. In terms of the length of the hair, it's definitely A plus for me. The hair is definitely true to length and more. In terms of how easy it is to work with the lace and how soft it is, it's definitely A plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely A plus for me. And please bear in mind that this hair is actually virgin human hair, meaning you can dye it, you can tongue it, you can bleach it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. So that's one of the amazing things I really like about this hair. The quality of the hair is fantastic. So yeah, so that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.